Gotta straighten that out. There we go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're going to the track. So as you can see, the bike is already pretty much ready to go. I wanted to record more of the process of like getting it track prepped, but I know I suck at it. I suck at recording while I'm working on stuff. And so here it is. It's ready. For those of you that haven't been to the track before, there are certain requirements that you need to meet to be able to take your bike onto the track and do some laps. And of course, I probably do a little more prep work than most, and probably more than I should have, but hey, that's how I am. That's what I do. I make everything harder than it should be. But you'll notice all of my pretty carbon fiber bits are over here on the shelf, as well as my tinted windscreen. I want to be able to actually see through my windscreen. But the bare minimum, you need to tape off your headlights, tape off your tail light. Some people pull the fuse for their brake light. Remove your mirrors, remove your turn signals, or tape them off. Remove your license plate bracket, and just overall make sure all your hardware is tight and torqued down, and your drain plug's tight, filler cap's tight, your dipstick's tight. You don't want any of that stuff vibrating and backing out and just spilling oil all over the track. But I also went a few extra steps further. Again, I replaced the windscreen. This one's a little bit taller, so it kicks a little more air up over your head, and it's clear so I can actually see through it. I didn't have mirrors to begin with, so didn't have to do anything there. But I did take off the turn signals. I pulled a couple fuses for my lights, so I don't have any lights whatsoever. Oh yeah. There we go. No lights whatsoever. The bike has been uglified, as you can see. But right now we care more about function over beauty. In addition to prepping the bike, I'm also bringing some extra things with me. I'm bringing some extra fluid, some coolant oil, brake fluid, etc. Something to bleed the brakes with if I want to, a few rags, some gloves. These dash panels, let's try this. So I left the dash panels out. If I want to work on something, I don't want to have to pull them out. It's just an extra step. So I know it's not pretty. I don't really care. But we also have some spare tools, as well as every tool that I think I'll need to tear the bike apart or do any work. A ton of zip ties just in case. An assortment of things. Ratchets, wrenches, sockets, pliers, you name it. But yeah, we are basically ready to go to the track. I'm excited. We're going to Hallett Motor Racing Circuit, which is about an hour from me, 40 minutes west of Tulsa, Oklahoma. And this has been my local track for a long time. My dad used to take me to CMRA races when I was a little kid. And so it really does have a special place in my heart. I've been to the track multiple times as a spectator. Finally being able to take the bike out on the track and actually ride the track, as well as focusing on being a better rider, is really a dream come true. We even did some extra cleaning. Look at that chain. I'm so proud of that. It looks new, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh. But it's getting kind of late, and I still have to load the stuff on the truck and load. Actually, I think I'm going to load the bike tomorrow morning. So, sorry I didn't record more of this, but I tried to give as much information as I could. So, we will see you tomorrow morning on the way to the track.
particular you need help with?
I think in turn 2, like 2 to 3, I'm missing my apex. I'm trying to clean that up a little bit, and then back 4 is the sweeping right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, so like
6.
yeah, 4, 5, and 6, I just feel like
Okay. We'll do a couple laps behind me, and then I'll just let you go and
All right.
lap you.
Sounds good.